Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one update that is a sneaky little update that nobody notices that it's there unless you go and check out your update history, but it installs itself from time to time without you even noticing. So in my case, and a lot of people have reported that they had it this month too, if you look at your Windows 10 update history, you'll notice that one update, in that update, by the way, the KB number comes back regularly. So in your update history, you will notice that it's possible that early July you got, and I got it here on July 2nd, KB5001716. So what does that update do? First of all, it's not a cumulative update, so that's why it doesn't change your build number. What it does is modify the information that might pop up on your screen of different options. So for example, when you have a pop-up that says, oh, by the way, Windows 11 is much better, you should upgrade, or you know that Windows 10's end of support is coming soon, this is the update that creates these little pop-ups that make your PC tell you about a few things like that. So what happens is that this was, of course, updated early July, and a lot of people don't like it because of its little sneaky nature that you don't know it installed. It is essentially to update what's going to be popping up on your screen, probably and possibly a pop-up of the update for paid extended update, and also probably an updated version of the end of support pop-up that might show up on your screen, but this comes from this little update. Now, there's good news about this. Microsoft said that this is the last time that this sneaky update shows up on your computer. There will not be a new version of this KB5001716 in the future. This is the last one, so they probably have updated the pop-ups with the last thing they want to tell you about Windows 10 before end of support. And well, I think it's a good thing anyways, because there should not be these sneaky updates that we don't know what they do, and especially when they're only there to kind of advertise, new features or things to come in Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.